Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Comida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, May 31, 2025. Nagulat si Kim De Los Santos sa pagpanaw ng kanyang unang pag-ibig na si Red Sternberg. Kim shares her fondest memory of Red. Ipinagdadalamati ng husto ni Kim De Los Santos ang pagpanaw ni Red Sternberg na itinuturing niyang first love. Binawian ng buhay ang dating aktor sa edad na 50 noong May 27, 2025. To my first love, may your soul in peace, ang maikling caption sa social media post ni Kim matapos malaman noong Biyernes, May 30, ang malungkot na balita. Matagal nang naninirahan si Kim sa US, kung saan nakabase rin si Red. Nung makipag-ugnayan, sa pamamagitan ng Facebook Messenger, ang cabinet files sa dating aktres, nagpaunlak itong magsalita tungkol sa masasayang alaala nila ni Red. Nagkakilala ang dalawa sa TGIS, ang popular afternoon youth-oriented program na napanood sa GMA7 mula August 12, 1995, hanggang November 27, 1999. Si Red ang gumanap bilang Kiko Arboleda de Dios, habang si Kim naman ay si Tere Gonzaga. Pero taong 1996 sila nagkarelasyon. Panimula ng dating teen actress, I was 15 years old then and he was 22. 9 months lang ang relasyon namin. My fondest memory about Red, when I never told my dad that he was my boyfriend, but my dad told him to take good care of me. Red was smart, a problem solver, and, when he puts his mind into something, he does it wholeheartedly. May isa pang admirable trait si Red na nagmarka kay Kim. Aniya, he was respectful. I wasn't ready for intimate relations so he told me he understands. Hindi man nagtagal ang relasyon ni Red at Kim, nanatiling magkaibigan daw sila. Ayon sa dating kapuso star, hindi sila nawalan ng komunikasyon at pumasok pa sa kanyang isip na magkaroon sila ng podcast, kaya labis daw niyang ikinabigla ang pagkamatay ni Red. We still talk from time to time, that's why it shocked me. I was asking him if he wanted to try a podcast or something for the fun of it. Si Kim ay 43 years old, at nagtatrabaho bilang nurse sa Texas. Pumanaw si Red ilang araw bago ang kanyang ika-51 na kaarawan kahapon, May 30.
There are instances may mga hinamon ako on the set. Meron.
Hindi, si Red kasi parating mainit ang ulo niya pag ginising mo. Yun lang. Huwag mong gigisingin niya pag hindi mo sa eksena.
So yun lang ng bagong gising.
Hindi. In terms of physical, that was the only incident kay me and One Mig. There was nothing else. Yung sagutan, ko never. 3, 4 in the morning, tapos may mga mokong na hindi alam yung linya. Yun, medyo nagkakainitan. Aside from that, walang,
wala naman na.
Wala. I don't think we will still be this close or,
tight.
Being tight and being friends all this time. If there's really bad blood going around, wala.
Yes.
It was part of the, it was part of the nature of the work.
Rest in heaven Red Sternberg. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios.